Hello! Here we are, facing the magnificent bridge. Isn't that a beautiful span bridge? It's lovely, I love that shape. Facing the magnificent bridge that brings you across through various loops behind that rock up there. Yeah, gorgeous man in the way again, I know. Hello! That rock up there. And eventually down this road here, I'm going to get past him again, to that Hoover Dam. Look at that. Now, you can't see it, but I'm standing on a really beautiful building. Oh, look, maybe you can see a bit there. I mean, I think this one might be younger. This is probably not 1930s, but they managed to keep in keeping with the 1930s architecture of the buildings below. This is actually the car park and the gift shop and restaurant down below. Look at that fencing up there. Isn't that gorgeous? So not only does it match in with the rocks above, but it's also nicely in keeping with the 1930s. Buildings down below. Look at those parasols, aren't they glorious? Hoover Dam over there. Stopping up the mighty river, Colorado River, yet another thing. The water, what's it called? The Lake Mead. Lake Mead would cover
Pennsylvania to a depth of 1 foot.
I thought it was 30 feet.
30 inches.
30 inches.
Maybe.
That's 3 feet.
Was it 30 centimetres 1 foot?
Oh, I don't know. Anyway, Lake Mead could cover the whole of the state of Pennsylvania. Over the bridge, over the dam itself, you have those 4 towers, the round ones. Can you see them? They've got interesting things written on them. I love the use of the copper to match in and yet reflect the rocks around. It's just such civic pride went into building this. Not only did the technological, necessary practicality go into building this, but such pride went into building this and making it a wonderful place to come and visit for years and years to come. And you've got to admire that. Enjoying it. Sweltering, by the way. Oh, palm trees down there. Lovely. Speak to you later. Bye.